To rename an individual notebook in NotebookLM, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you will see a list of all your existing notebooks. Each notebook represents a separate workspace for a specific topic, project, or research area. Locate the notebook you want to rename. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you have multiple similar notebooks for different subjects. Once you've identified it, look for the options menu associated with that notebook. This is usually represented by a three-dot icon, More Options, next to the notebook title. Click the three-dot menu to open the available actions for that notebook. From the list of options, select Rename or Rename Notebook. This will activate the title field, allowing you to edit the current name. Type your new notebook name clearly and specifically. It is best to use a descriptive title that reflects the content of the notebook, such as the subject, research focus, or project name. This helps you stay organized, especially when managing multiple notebooks for different topics. After entering the new name, press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the text field to save the changes. The notebook title will update immediately and appear in your notebook list with a new name. If you do not see a rename option, it may be due to interface updates or account permissions, especially in Google Workspace or school accounts where some settings are controlled by an administrator. In some cases, you can also rename a notebook by opening it directly and clicking on the title at the top of the page. This allows inline editing of the notebook name, depending on your version of NotebookLM. And that's how you rename an individual notebook in NotebookLM. Open the notebook list, use the three-dot menu or title field, update the name, and save your changes to keep your workspace organized.